Standard 7th Subject Craft. Today we are going to learn craft topic crow. Take origami paper. You can see these four corners from these two opposite corners. We are going to fold triangle like this. Okay. Then again we can make the triangle. Okay. Open the paper, you will get two lines. Now, from your right side, roll the paper and bring it near the line and fold it. Same you will do with the other side. Press it properly, you will get a diamond shape. Okay. Turn your paper, you can see to the two corners. Now student, join this both the corners and fold it. Now again turn your paper, you can see these two open corners. Okay. Now we will open the one side like this and press it. Same you will do it with the other side. Now after that you will get two parts. Down parts we will fold from both the sides like this, and this is okay. You can find the triangle. Okay student. Now open the bigger fold and fold it from inside like this. You will get a again triangle shape. Inside you find the two small triangle. Now we will open it like this. After that, take this corner and bring it down to the center and fold it. Okay. Now fold this part like this. Turn your paper and join this both the side and fold the paper. Okay. Now turn your paper and join this both the side and fold the paper. Fold the paper. Okay. Now this part you will open like this, shown in the video. Okay. Now students, take a pencil and draw the eyes from the both the sides. Both the sides. Okay. And now student, your talking crow is ready. Thank you.